Court is calling 2023 CR 1221, State versus Joshua Johnson. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Joseph Redvelt for Mr. Johnson.
And are you Mr. Johnson?
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're doing this hearing by Zoom. Mr. Johnson, do you waive your right to appear in person?
Correct. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by Zoom. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor, and I've reviewed it with Mr. Johnson.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Johnson, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court does not have an application for deferred adjudication. Are you applying for deferred adjudication, Mr. Johnson? Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into an agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Defenses, no, Your Honor, but statements that we'd be able to use at trial, yes.
All right. Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Johnson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very satisfied.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $2,000 fine, and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is the plea, Your Honor.
State,
I believe there's also a TAP evaluation in there as well.
All right, state, is that the plea? All right, let's go out the record for a moment. So everyone, you all need to whisper. And who is standing behind you, Andrew? Hi. They can move your guy at the top or further down, at least. No, not behind the court reporter, just further down. All right, we're back on the record. State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph, Mr. Johnson, with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be 200 hours of community service restitution. and that there be no contact with Christopher Saldivar. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is plea, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm a little bit distracted because I don't have the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal.
I'm sending that to him right now.
All right, thank you. All right. Did you understand that those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence? Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. So counsel, the coordinator is sending you, one, the application for deferred adjudication, and also the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal.
Okay.
All right, we're back on the record. Mr. Johnson, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state you may be excused. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. State, have you had contact with the complainant?
Personally, no, Your Honor.
All right. So why should I follow this agreement?
I believe the agreement was negotiated by Eric and Your Honor.
Sorry, Judge, you asked the state or you asking me?
The state, yes. So has there been contact with the complainant? All right, while they're reviewing that, tell me about your client, counsel.
Your Honor, I've been practicing law. I mean, I think it just started my 19th year, specifically in criminal defense, then retired duration. Mr. Johnson is one of those clients. He's been very diligent from the start. He is working very closely with me. His mother has been very close contact with me. He does everything that he's supposed to do. He works. He hasn't violated any terms of his bond. He's very, very much active in this matter and wants to do everything right. This is his first time ever being in trouble. He's accepting this plea. He accepts the fact that he has to plead no contest to the facts as is. In my investigation of the case, although the complaining witness spoke with me once, he did not want to go through any type of detail as to what happened. There are some discrepancies as to what the officer found versus what the alleged victim had written in his statement. And Mr. Johnson did give a voluntary statement over to the police at the time of incident as to what occurred. So I think the allegations as put forth by the CW are a little bit exaggerated, although there was a brandishing of a firearm in a what I guess would be considered a semi-road rage incident in San Antonio. So Mr. Johnson was open with the officer, admitted to what happened. He's shown remorse. I really, truly believe that he is deserving of a chance of a deferred adjudication, probation, and to prove to the court that this is going to be a minor glitch, although serious glitch in his life that he will come to terms with. He will do as the court deems necessary to prove that he deserves this chance and have his adjudication deferred.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, yes, the complainant was spoken with by the DA's office, Dan Escobar. He actually stated that he didn't believe that the individual didn't have a long history, that the defendant not be punished too harshly for something that he thought was a really stupid mistake on the defendant's part.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Johnson. I received information for the complainant. Sometimes I see agreements and I will ask why I should accept these agreements, but I understand in this case why the agreement is what it is. Is your client in Bexar County still or no?
No, he's been in Houston the entire time, Your Honor. He was in Bexar County just briefly during this incident.
All right, so somebody want to tell me, and I'm embarrassed to say, what county is Houston?
Harris.
See, I always think it's Travis, but it's not. It's Harris. Okay. Court will sentence you to 5 years, deferred adjudication, $2,000 fine, probated, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, transfer to Harris County. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
Currently, I just started a new job, which is on the 16th. I'm going to be an associate with CT Sounds. CT Sounds is a car audio appliance company. So
Okay.
I'm going to be doing that for a year. Then after that, I was also, I wouldn't say promised, but guaranteed to be a manager for the company as well, making a higher salary. This week, Tuesday was my last day with Daikin and their HVAC assembly company. So with them, I was doing installation.
All right. So there's proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors. There's to be no contact with Christopher Saldivar. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Yay. Feel that once you have your life in order, then it's time to, if you want to have children, it's time to formulate a plan. All right. How far did you go in school?
I'm sorry.
How far did you go in school?
High school, I have my diploma. And then I want to say I did 2 years with Lone Star College Sci Fair in Houston, Texas. Additional schooling, I have my real estate license. And then I just finished and graduated last month on November 14th, my cybersecurity cohort class. Right now, I'm just studying to take the CompTIA Security Plus exam.
All right. The court is going to order 200 hours community service restitution if you provide proof of your real estate license and if you pass this cybersecurity test that you're taking. The community service hours will be deemed satisfied. And I'm going to order anger management. Yes.
My license, right? Go ahead.
No,
I'll
go ahead.
explain it to him. Oh, probably his real estate license is probably suspended as a result of the open case, Your Honor.
Well, I know it's inactive. I haven't searched Texas Real Estate Commission website to see if it is suspended.
Well,
I can't
if
check
you have
today.
proof that you had a real estate license and you passed the cybersecurity test that you say that you're going to take, then the court will deem your community service hours satisfied.
Okay.
And
Your
the court
Honor.
is going to, yes.
Go ahead, Your Honor. I don't want to interrupt. I'm sorry. I did.
Court is going to order anger management classes. Probation. Is there anything else he needs? Yes. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful, Mr. Johnson?
No, ma'am.
Question, Your Honor. The anger management, what level are you wanting him just to do the online course or a course through probation? With multiple classes?
Probation will let him know the acceptable course.
Okay. Lastly, Mr. Johnson is currently on an ankle monitor as part of his bond conditions. Would Your Honor
Any
sign an
objection
order
to
releasing?
removing of the ankle monitor?
State that Mr. Johnson appeared in person by his
All right.
I didn't hear what you said, but
He wants him to appear in person to provide a thumbprint, his thumbprint. All right, the GPS will be removed. And then I am still awaiting from you. They're going to send you an email. I need the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did your attorney go over the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with you, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. With regards to the request for a fingerprint, probation, can you see if it can be coordinated in Houston with him providing a fingerprint to them on a copy of a judgment?
Yes,
Otherwise, you're going to have to come back to San Antonio to do that. All right,
Yes,
I'm going to send you all to breakout room. I'll send you all to breakout room number 1. And please do not leave until you have signed that trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal.
will do, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Yes.
Mr. Johnson, and Attorney wanted them, but they wanted to address as well.
All right, Mr. Johnson. Let me
I-
close the breakout rooms and hopefully he'll come in. So as soon as he comes in, I'll take that matter. All right, what issue did you all want to address?
But I did not know if Bear County, since Your Honor had taken the electronic monitoring off of him, I don't know if he owes anything. I know he pays $300 a month for that. I don't know if Your Honor would be willing to waive any money that's owed so that he doesn't get turned away at the desk because
I
of
can
not.
say it's waived, but what I can tell you is, regardless of whether he owes money or not, I've ordered that the GPS be removed, so the GPS be removed.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Oh, and okay. All right. I'll see you all. Bye-bye.
Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank
you
you.
too.